Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will give you a brief tutorial on how to use Bluesky Social. So firstly, of course, you need to create an account. After that you can navigate the interface. You've got home feed, you've got explore, notifications and profile. You can also post content. You can click on new posts button and create a new post. You can type a text, add images, or share links. Then click the post button to share your content with your followers. After that, you can interact with the others. You can click on the follow button on a user's profile to start following their posts. So for example, let's go to this guy, and as you can see, follow button. You can also like the posts. For example, just like on Twitter, this website is very similar to X and Twitter. You can also reply with this button and comment right here. You can also explore the community. You can use the search bar to find people, posts, or topics. So here's your search button. You can join communities, participate in discussions, and connect with like-minded individuals. Guys, additional tips for you: be respectful, treat others with kindness and respect. You can also experiment and explore. Don't be afraid to try new things and discover the unique features of Bluesky. Remember, Bluesky is a relatively new platform, so there might be updates and changes in the future. Stay tuned for new features and improvements as the platform evolves. Thanks for watching, hopefully this helps. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.